So Gustavo, how's my 23 jokes?
Oh, they are good. So funny. Let's play Don't Hiccup Game. Oh my goodness!
Oh no. I got the hiccups.
What's going on?
Rose got a 6. Look. Cody got a hiccups and he cannot look speaking to me. No, you.
Let me do it. Boo. We need help. Never fear. Octoblock Jr. is here. Octoblock. Boo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Boo. We need help.
Don't worry. I got this. Lucky, 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 lucky. Boo.
Try again!
I will do it instead.
Boo.
Oh my god, oh god, it's gonna blow!
No more hiccups. That's how to kill them. But we need one to be the good. It's 91.
We are getting a new director. And what could that be? 91?
91? Hi, KID and S. Uck, really? 91 is girl, not boy, and 91's voice is wrong. I will fix 91 voice, and let's try again.
Oh. Look. Who is that? What a shame. I will throw you out of the window. Take 19, guys.
Cuz. We are all speaking out now?
I'm a number block 17, and I'm the producer. Oh cool, we have a producer. Anyway, take 9.
Hello, Ryan's 90 and 1.
Hello, Von.
Wanna see a trick up my sleeve?
Okay. But please don't do something that has to do with compounds. We promise. Ready 5/10?
Ready 1.
Tada.
You told it doesn't have to do with compounds, and you lead.
Oops, sorry 90 and 1.
How about we figure ourselves out, just for you?
Fine. Well,
Let's see here.
a decimal or fraction number.
Not a whole number.
15 times 1/10.
15 divided by 10.
1 1.
5/10.
Smaller than 15.
Smaller than 150.
Hey,
We figured ourselves out today.
hello, I'm 1 and 5/10, and I'm a Dutch Step Squad member.
Hello, only and Fostens.
Greetings 90 and 1.
So, what is the step squad now?
It means that it's like a step squad but smaller. Oh, okay.
Well, that's the end of this video. Make sure to credit Pokemon Fan Animations.
If you don't credit Pokemon Fan Animations, well it's okay.